In this guide, I'll show you how to define holidays. Days when you or your team are not working, such as May 1st, Christmas, or when the office or factory is closed. You can set holidays both in an organization account and in your personal account. Let's start with the organization account. First, I'll deselect any selected resource and then go to Settings. Here, I'll open the Holidays tab. To add a holiday, I click Add Holiday. A default holiday name appears, but I can rename it to anything I like. A holiday can be just a single day or a date range. It can also be set to recur every year, or just once. In this example, I'll create a holiday that starts on September 1st and ends on September 5th. I won't make it recurring. Now let's see how this looks. If I go to Projects, you can see the weekend, then the holiday period, and then the weekend again. If I open a project and check the Gantt chart, the holiday period is shown there as well. And if I look in the calendar, that week is shaded, and we can see the holiday marked by name. When you create tasks in a project, Starbrix automatically avoids weekends and holidays, so tasks won't be scheduled on those days unless you explicitly choose to. Now let's look at the personal account. I'll switch to my personal account and go to Settings. Here, under Holidays, I can define my own private holidays in exactly the same way. These are taken into account only in my personal account and won't affect the organization. And that's it. Now you know how to define holidays in both organization accounts and personal accounts in Starbrix.